Hey everybody, Jeff Murray here with a quick member update about what's going on and things happening at your club. Driving right into it, this weekend's the Men's Invitational Weekend. We did modify to a tea time format, so there's no social gatherings. The restaurant and bar will be available to all members throughout the weekend. Congratulations, got our last year's Men's Invitational champs up here. Ben Sweeney will be here tonight from 6 to 8. Lakeside Yoga tomorrow at 9 a.m. for all you folks who'd like to get out there and do some yoga. We've got you all set up on Friday at 9 a.m. Steel drums will be at the pool on Sunday at 1 o'clock. We won't have the DJ on Saturday at the pool, but we will have the steel drums at the pool on Sunday. We did ramp up our curbside carry-out specials for two. For those of you who don't feel safe coming out, we do have curbside carry-out specials for two, and we've got those for you. You can check your email blast for that information. Reservations are required for all areas. Remember to sign up for pool blocks, to sign up for tennis courts, for your golf, of course. Pickleball, pool, dining, and so forth, all need to have reservations. That's very, very important to make sure that you let us know when you're coming. Speaking of pickleball courts, Danetta, Joey, and their team put together a great regulation pickleball courts in our Lakeside Pavilion since we aren't using it for weddings and events. It's absolutely fabulous. I've been out there playing with the team, and it's been great. You might think it's hot and sweaty. It's not. It's actually out of the sun and great. And we've got some tent fans in there and so forth. You can kind of open it up and make it nice and breezy for you. It's great. Joey's put an actual sign up on our courts booking on the mobile app. You can sign up real easy there and book your court starting at 8 a.m. So you do need your own equipment per Dane County guidelines, but the tennis shop does have Onyx equipment available for purchase if you'd like, but pickleball is now at Bishops Bay at this time. I want to remind all of our voting members, and this is primary voting members, so it means that in a family there's one vote for voting members. Sign up on your Member Central page, go to Vote Now, and then cast your vote for our Board of Directors election. That's very important and part of our annual process. Speaking of annual process, we do have our annual meeting on Monday, July 27th. It's coming up just a couple weeks now. It's at 6 p.m. and it will be a Zoom call. Allie, our communications manager, will be sending out a link to the Zoom call. Members are encouraged to join in. You can see, you'll get a committee report from all of our committees. Our board will be there. And also Ray Cronin, the founder and chief innovator of Club Benchmarking, which is a worldwide third-party consultant for clubs in the club industry. Ray will be speaking on behalf of Bishops Bay Country Club and presenting a complete analysis of our financial snapshot, where we're at, and recommendations for us, as well as an analysis of our 2025 vision. So all the work that we've done for our 2025 vision. So we're excited about having Ray Cronin as helping us through this process, and we're excited that he's going to be presenting to our club. So great day there. Our Oliphant team has been finishing up some of the nice finishing edges of some of our bunkers around the golf course on several holes. They're looking very, very fabulous, so I'm sure many of our golfers have already seen that, and the great job the Oliphant team has been doing in making those bunker edges and some of the other fine tunings looking great out there. The Reliable team, Adam, Mark, and the whole group have been doing a great job fine-tuning some of our edges around the golf course, also dealing with some of the drainage that's been happening out there. I would put in some drainage tiles and some other things that have been going on to address some of those areas. We've also been doing a lot of weed control out there, addressing some of that situation as well. So there is also some cart path repair coming in late in July. You'll see that going on. A lot of work happening on your golf course to make it beautiful for all of our members during all this play. Speaking of beautifying, we're also doing some reseeding on the mounds between 2 and 15 as well, or 2 and 16, I'm sorry. to address the area that where we made some construction areas, and you'll see some areas that needed reseeded, and we'll be doing that as well this month, and we'll also be reseeding the haul roads and so forth this fall. So that'll be addressed as well. I've got to tell you about this, the pizza patio. I know a lot of people are excited about this. We heard this in our survey. It was very important for our membership. So Bill McDonough and his team have been doing a fabulous job on this thing, and of course, if you see the slate roof is in, and this structure is, it actually kind of looks like, reminds me of a Colorado ski lodge, but it's absolutely gorgeous. The stone is in for the bar, and then the countertops will be going in next week, as well as some of the wood finishings. Back here, there's a stainless steel partial wall going in, and then some drywall and some slats going up, and up lighting and so forth. There's some big, large fans going in here on these timbers. We've got furniture on the way. There's some televisions going in there and so forth. This is just going to be an absolutely fabulous spot. There's a large pizza oven that's being customized for us that'll be placed right here, along with some other equipment and so forth that the culinary team will be working from. This will all be screened in. The screening is coming in next week as well. So a lot of neat things happening there with the pizza patio. So we're excited about that and all the things it brings. Just closing out here, just some final reminders. Remember, we are at 25% of indoor capacity, 25% of indoor capacity. If the weather turns bad and you have an outdoor table, there's no indoor table assigned to you. So you also cannot crowd around bars per Dane County, and remember that masks are required inside buildings in Dane County. Masks are required inside buildings in Dane County. Okay, thank you very much for that. And remember that if in fact there is a positive exposure in Bishops Bay, we do have policies and procedures in place to make sure we notify members. You will be notified in the event of an exposure. Our team is working very hard to assure your safety and the safety of our staff. And your adherence to our rules and regulations is very, very appreciated. And last but not least, as in all of my messages say, please, 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 if you're feeling any kind of signs or symptoms of COVID-19, if you've been exposed, if members of your family have been exposed, if you're waiting for test results and whatsoever, please don't come to the property for golf, tennis, pickleball, pool, dining, anything. Please don't come to the club if you've been exposed or have any signs or symptoms of COVID-19. We appreciate you very much. Thank you for your support and your dedication to Bishops Bay Country Club. From the staff, from the board of directors, and from all of us here at Bishops Bay Country Club, thank you for your continued support, and we'll see you real soon.